Hello, welcome one and all to the GLAC Studios oil painting tutorial. I am Gomati Sivasankaran. This is a intense 30-hour journey of oil painting that you're going to be learning by doing along with me. So the way we have recorded this session is that every single nuance of the artwork that you see right here is being captured on camera throughout the 30-hour journey that it took me to work, and there's no fast forwarding. We have tried our best to keep the genuine recording to the the limit possible, and also in every single section I share with you the mistakes I make, the challenges ahead, and how do we go around working on the oil painting. This is a Radha Krishna painting, and for those who have never done such a thing, you will find references. So the way we start, this whole class is split into 5 layers or 5 sections that you can see. The first section is genuinely focused on how do we understand the canvas, the basics of the canvas, how to make a grid, and also how do we analyze various references and build that logic into mathematical logic into gridding techniques and so on into the canvas. Start drawing and filling it out until the section. I think you will see that I have made the entire first section freely available for you, because the 30 hours is an intense session and it could be highly intimidating for ones that have never experimented before. So just to make it easier for you, we have introduced the first section, which is about 6 classes, totally free. So you can take these classes, try all these elements of kickstarting along with us, and when you feel comfortable to go ahead with this journey, then you can buy the rest of the classes. So these 5 sections will help you move from the zone of how do I use a large canvas, the 80 by 60 canvas that's right here. How do I use this canvas effectively? How do I maneuver through this canvas and start building the superstructures and filling them out? And then, when you're filling out, it is like filling that is, or coloring that is done by children. So we go on from the level of basics that's done by children and move gradually up to what you see right here. So we learn how do we build the depth and dimensions along the line, still maintaining the overall superstructure and correcting along the line, improvising along the line, adding your own ideas along the line. So it's going to be a mix of that you will get to learn from these sessions. After each and every session, I also share with you this, and I will share it with you as well, that we want to guide you to the level that you are able to grow even further than what you see right here. So we also want to help you in this process. In case you have any concerns, you're also able to reach out to us directly, to me directly through this program, and talk to me, share your pictures and share your concerns, and work along with me to make sure that you can do something better than what I've done. Thank you very much for trying this out, taking this up, and I'm looking forward to seeing many of you grow even much better than what I have presented here through this, and just shine out there and do this fantastic painting of Radha and Krishna, a symbol of love, a symbol of universal love, and spread this message of love and happiness around. Thank you very much, and God bless you all. Bye-bye.